So far, we have seen about the single qubit gates. Today, we are going to see in detail the multiple qubit gates, particularly the CNOT gate, that is controlled NOT gate. We will see what is the meaning of controlled NOT gate, and why it is called so. So we know a general qubit states is get psi is equal to alpha 0 get 0 0 plus beta get 0 1 plus gamma get 1 0 plus delta get 1 1. Here you remember that modulus alpha squared plus modulus beta squared plus modulus gamma squared plus modulus delta squared must be equal to 1 in order to have a normalization, in order to meet the normalization rule. Uh, Naturally, what will happen if there are more than 2 bit? You will have 2 power n state per n qubit. So and another important point is single qubit gates act independently and multiple qubit gates allow qubit to interact, which we are going to see in detail in this lecture. Before going into the detail of a multiple qubit in matrix form, we will go through the tensor product, which is a fundamental one. For two vector state, the tensor product is that is you take a column vector A, B, and this is a symbol for tensor product. You are doing tensor product with the column vector C and T. So net result is A, this first row multiplied by this column vector, A multiplied by C, D. And similarly P, this second row, you take second row and multiply this column. That is P multiplied by C and T, this column matrix. So apply this to each phases state. So what are the four phases state? First one is 0 0. So what is a zero state? How zero is get zero is represented in Dirac notation. In qubit, it is represented as 1 0. So naturally, this 0 is 1 0. We are carrying out tensor product with this get 0. Get 0, get 0. Get 0 is 1 0. So 1 0 vector tensor product 1 0. So apply this rule. Here A is 1 and this column vector 1 0. Here this row, second row is 0 and this multiply this with this column vector. So first product 1 1 1 you will get 1 0 0, then 0 1 0 0 0 0. So you will get uh, four column vector which has four rows, that is 1 0 0 0. So this is represented by the column vector 1 0 0 0, this column vector. This is represented by column vector 1 0 0 0. Then we will move on to next basis. Then apply the same thing to phases get 0 1. You know, get 0 is 1 0 column matrix and get 1 is 0 1 column matrix. So according to tensor multiplication, you take first row 1 and multiply this column matrix 0 1. Similarly, 0 you take second row and multiply this column matrix 0 1. So if you carry out first multiplication, this will be 1 0 0 1 1 1 and 0 0 0 0 1 0. So you will get 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. This basis. That is, get 0, 1 is represented by this column matrix. That is another important point. Similarly, for 1, 0. So the get 1 is 0, 1, we know. That is column matrix. And get 0 is 1, 0. Now you take tensor product of these two. Then 0 this column vector and 1 this column vector. So now if you multiply with 0, both term will become 0. Then if you multiply by 1, you will get 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the column matrix for this is get 1, 0 basis. Similarly, 1, 1, get 1, 1. Get 1, 1 is get 1 is 0, 1. Similarly, get 1 is 0, 1. You take this tensor product of this. So 0, this column matrix. First row column matrix, second row this column matrix. So this will be first two element will be 0, 0. The next 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is the get 1, 1 is represented as column matrix for which the fourth row is 1, remaining rows are 0. So we have seen the 2-bit get vector is equal to alpha times get 0, 0 plus beta times get 0, 1 plus gamma times get 1, 0 plus delta times get 1, 1. Just now we have seen the get 0, 0 can be written as in the column matrix form 1, 0, 0, 0. Similarly, the get 0, 1 can be written as a column matrix 0, 1, 0, 0. Of course, you have coefficient alpha, beta, gamma, and delta here. Similarly, get 1, 0 can be written as 0, 0, 1, 0. Also, the get 1, 1 can be written as 0, 0, 0, 1. So if you multiply this by alpha, beta, gamma, and delta, and add it, you will get psi is equal to first one alpha, next one is beta, third one is in the third row gamma, and fourth one is at the fourth row delta. So you will get the matrix form get psi is equal to alpha, beta, gamma, delta. And you remember this column matrix which we are going to use at a later stage. Now we will see what the CNOT gate does, that is control to NOT gate. Here this 2-qubit can be written as get psi is equal to alpha times, as usual, alpha times get 0, 0 plus beta times get 0, 1 plus gamma times get 1, 0 plus delta times get 1, 1. Here, the first bit, which I have shown in red color, is a control bit, which control the output of the output of C dot gate. Red is control bit. Then yellow color is target. Yellow is target on which this control bit act. So yellow one is a target. If control bit is 0, first two cases, it do nothing. If control bit is 1, last two, then it flip the target. So I will write it in the matrix form. This is input. If input is 0, 0, First bit is 0, so no change will happen. So this will be 0, 0. Then next 0, 1. First bit is 0, so nothing will change. So the output also 0, 1. Then third state is get 1, 0. Here first bit is 1. Naturally, it will flip the second one. So this 0 will become 1. So the output is get 1, 1. What about last one? That is get 1, 1. So here this first bit is 1. So this will flip the next one. So this 1 becomes 0. So this will be get 1, 0. Now we will see the CNOT get in matrix form. We know the truth table. If first bit, which is a control bit, is 0, nothing will change in the output. If control bit is 1, it flip the target bit. So 1, 0 become 1, 1, 1, 1 become 1, 0 because 1 flip this 0. So I want to write in the matrix form. So what will happen if 0, 0? The output will be 0, 0, get 0, 0. So that is a column matrix. Just now we have seen this column matrix is 1, 0, 0, 0. And what about next output? That is 0, 0 means 0, 1 means you will have 0, 1. So this is the 0, 1. No change at all. 0, 1. So it is column matrix 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. We have seen just now the column matrix part get 0, 1 is this one. Then what about the column matrix part 1, 1, the third one? So you have get 1, 1 is this. Fourth row will be 1, other things are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is the 1, 1, get 1, 1. Sorry, get 1, 1. Then what about get 1, 0? This is the get 1, 0. We have seen that this column matrix is third row 1, all other things are 0. So 0, 0, 1, 0. So interestingly, this. You can see this. This is the unit matrix upper up. You can see this is unit matrix. So that means it will not change. And you see the bottom one. So this bottom one, sorry, I will use a different color. Maybe I will use this one. That is, I will use blue color. So this one, what about this matrix? Is exactly sigma x. You know very well that sigma x matrix, X matrix, in fact, it is X matrix, flip the output. So this will flip the output 0, 1, 1, 0. So in for second and third row, you will get the bit get flipped. So C0 is basically act as an identity when control qubit is 0 and flips the target qubit when control qubit is get 1. If you find this lecture interesting one, kindly subscribe my channel. Also share and join my channel for the growth of my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video and supporting me continuously. Thank you very much.